Hey guys, HavasuLew out in Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new listing. It's a 6-bedroom, 4-bath pool home with an RV garage. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 677 Avenida, Laredo, right by the golf course. This is a 6-bedroom, 4-bath pool home. It's being used as a vacation rental, so it's the first opportunity that anybody's had to kind of see it. There's tenants in there, and then they're moving out, and new people are coming in for the weekend. So we're going to try to squeeze in here real quick and just shoot this video. I might have to do a voiceover. So these all have underground utilities. So this one sits on a huge lot, almost 18,000 square feet, has gated side RV boat type parking on both sides of the RV garage, which is a double wide RV garage. So let's go on in and see if we can get in here real quick. So this one was just listed for 1.25. Nice little entryway, a courtyard. All right, guys, this is a 6-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 1993, 3,371 square feet. So it's being used as an Airbnb, and so it has 6 bedrooms, but 8 bedrooms as an Airbnb that can't really be counted as bedrooms. So real quick, I want to show you this front room off the entry that they are using as one of the 8 Airbnb rooms. Doesn't really count as a bedroom in the MLS, but this is what they use. It does have an armoire, so it would count, but they're not counting it. So this room actually used to be part of the living room. They closed off the wall that goes into the dining room at this far wall to make it a bedroom. So you have a nice dining room off the kitchen. So this wall used to go into that room we were just in. So this is the master, slider out to the pool area. All tile floors, ceramic tile, not vinyl. So this is actually a door, not a slider. Nice master bath, dual sinks, door out to the pool area and RV garage area. Big walk-in shower with granite and tile, rain heads. Huge walk-in closet. Toilet has its own door. Got another bedroom behind the dining area. Again, all tile floors. Standard closet with some built-ins. You have a guest bath in the hall between another bedroom. So you have a bedroom at the front of the house, kind of the same setup as the other one. Same closet setup with some built-ins. Again, all tile floors. So you got a laundry room off of the living room. Huge. Multi-units. All right, you have your 2-car, or actually it's a 3-car garage. 21 feet deep. Standard 7-foot doors that are insulated. You have all your water softener, house filtration, water heater. So you have gated side RV boat parking over here between the house and the RV garage Casita side. Again, this is used as a successful vacation rental, so they have a big dumpster here. All right, so we're coming out the master bath, going over to the other bedrooms in the RV garage. They have a little spa out here. So they have a pretty big RV garage setup. It's a double wide RV garage, 48 feet deep. They have it set up, you know, for Airbnb. So there's TV and games, and it's got its own water heater and soft water, fridge. Looks like there's another bathroom. It's got 2 mini split AC units, so it's air conditioned. The garage is insulated, and there's also integrated speakers in the walls and ceilings. This is a 14-foot high RV door height. So you have another bathroom. It's kind of a Jack and Jill's into another living area from the RV garage. It's a full bath, well, minus the tub. So you have more bedrooms back here. There's a slider out to the backyard pool area. So these units have their own air conditioner. So here's some more beds. So it's basically an 8-bedroom when you use it as an Airbnb. So it's got a door out to the other side of the property where there's more gated side RV boat type parking. It goes all the way back here. So there's more stuff going on over here. Nice big covered patio. And then you have more bedrooms. This is more of a typical type casita. It has more bedroom. It's got a full kitchen with a stove. Can lights in the ceilings. I believe it has its own air conditioning unit too, so these can be rented out separately because they both have their own entries. So it has its own laundry setup, another bathroom. Little linen closet. So you have another bedroom. So if you're looking to pick up an Airbnb, this is gonna be top of the list. So it has a slider out to the patio bar and pool area. Big tall ceilings in here. There's a closet. All right, so you're out on the patio again. Got this big pergola, can lights, big old wet bar, granite tiled top, barbecues. Nice little outdoor dining area. There's a mount for a TV out here, but there's no TV. So you have a real nice private pool area. The walls are about probably 6 feet high, so it's super private. And this place is on solar. So you have solar power panels on the roof. So you have another full-length covered patio out here. Has integrated speakers. Pool looks pretty good. Maybe just redone. It looks pretty new. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Avenida, Laredo. Again, this is a 6-bedroom, 4-bath, just listed for $1.25. It does have a ton of bedrooms. There's actually 8 bedrooms when you use it as an Airbnb. So anyways, I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can see all the original listing pictures, current price, availability. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.